Ever tried guessing an animal from just a few clues? What if your audience could do the same while learning, engaging, and having fun? In this video, we'll show you how to build a Name That Animal Britannica-Style interactive quiz using Outgrow's assessment content type in minutes. Here's how it works. Users are taken through a series of fun, clue-based, and knowledge-driven questions, such as, identify these animals based on your knowledge. These questions spark curiosity, challenge knowledge, and keep users hooked till the end. Now let's see how to build this using Outgrow. Start by logging into your Outgrow account. Click on the assessment. You can either start from scratch or choose a ready-made template. Outgrow has 1,000 plus ready-made templates with responsive designs and layouts, which will help you create your assessment quickly and easily. After selecting a template, you need to customize it according to your brand. On the welcome screen, you can add a headline and a short description. For example, add the headline, Wildlife Challenge, Can You Identify These Animals? And the short description, test your animal recognition skills with this fun visual assessment. Each question shows an image, choose the correct animal, and see how sharp your knowledge really is. Now, let's add a few questions inside this assessment to make it better and engaging. Here you can add similar questions like Britannica in your assessment. What animal is shown in this image? Identify this animal. What bird is shown here? Name this animal. What animal is this? You can continue adding similar questions like these to better understand your audience and match them with the most suitable way to contribute. Now let's set up the result logic based on the user's score. Start by navigating to the results section. Once you're inside, look for the condition option. Condition 1 is defined for beginners, Condition 2 is defined for intermediate users, and the last condition is defined for the expert level. This is where we define how scores map to different outcomes. Before showing the results, you can also enable a lead generation form. This allows them to capture supporter leads while providing personalized recommendations. Next, head to the Overall Design tab to customize the look and feel of your assessment. Upload your logo, apply your brand colors, add image or video for background, and adjust fonts so the assessment looks clean, professional, and engaging. Now let's map the answer field of each question so that users have a clear score based on their answers. Once everything looks good, click Go Live to publish your assessment. You can now share the live URL embedded on your website or include it in campaign pages, blogs, or email newsletters. And that's it. You've now created an interactive wildlife challenge assessment using Outgrow without any problems to drive meaningful engagement for your organization. Ready to transform fun interactions into meaningful insights? Start building your own personalized assessments today with Outgrow.